of light. Firstly, we will know that what is reflection. Reflection means the bouncing back of light. Means when the light rays come from the sun and fall on any shining surface and come back, it's called reflection. Laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. According to first law, the incident ray, the normal ray and the reflected ray lies on the same plane. And the second law, according to second law, the angle of incidence is also equal to angle of reflection. Means if here makes 30-degree angle, there will also make a 30-degree angle. And the types of reflection. There are two types of reflection: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflection means when the light rays are parallel before reflection and after reflection are also parallel. And the irregular reflection we can also call it diffuse reflection. Means when the light rays are parallel before reflection and after reflection are non-parallel. And the smooth surface is very important for regular reflection, and the rough surface means which is not smooth is very important for irregular reflection. And the regular reflection can't take place on a rough surface and irregular reflection can't take place on smooth surface. Thank you.
As you know that we are going to talk about reflection of light. Firstly, we know what is the meaning of light. Light means it's a form of energy we produce sense of sensation in our eyes. And after that, we can talk about reflection of light. Reflection means, in a simple way, reflection means back bounce of light. For an example, when light comes from a source and touches or light on a plane surface and goes back and bounces back, and this is called reflection of light. And then there are two laws of reflection. First law is the incident ray and the normal ray and the reflected ray are light on the same plane. And the incident ray, the normal ray and the reflected ray lies on the same plane, and this point is called point of incidence, or the ray which comes from its source of light like candle, torch and sun and lies on a plane. This ray is known as incident ray and goes back and reflects and bounces back. This ray is known as reflected ray. As normal ray, it's not permanent, it's for emission, that's called imaginary line. And after that, there are two types of reflection. First type, regular reflection, and second type, irregular. Regular reflection means when light comes from any source of light and touches or light on a smooth polished surface and goes back. Light comes from its source and light and it's parallel and goes back, it's also parallel. But in regular, when light comes from its source of light and goes back, when it comes it's also parallel, but when it goes back it's not parallel. And the regular, there are main difference between these two. Regular reflection lies or occurs on a smooth surface and irregular reflection occurs on rough surface. Thanks for having me.
आज हमारा टॉपिक है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। पहले हम जानेंगे रिफ्लेक्शन होती क्या है। द बाउंस बैक ऑफ लाइट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन। जब किसी सोर्स से लाइट आती है और शाइनिंग सरफेस पे पड़ती है और बाउंस बैक होती है, उसको कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। इसके टू लॉज हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, फर्स्ट लॉ है ये है इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे लाइज ऑन ए सेम प्लेन। इस पॉइंट को हम कहते हैं, जो ये नॉर्मल रे है ये इससे होती है, इस पॉइंट को हम कहते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस। अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, वो है कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। जैसे अगर ये हो गया, ये एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस होगा 35 डिग्री, तो ये भी होगा। इसके टू टाइप्स हैं, रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन एंड इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन। रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन हम उसको कहते हैं जब किसी सोर्स से लाइट आती है और शाइनिंग सरफेस पे पड़ती है, उस रिफ्लेक्ट से पहले भी वो पैरेलल होती है, रिफ्लेक्ट के बाद भी वो पैरेलल होती है, उसको कहते हैं रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन। इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन हम उसको कहते हैं जब किसी सोर्स से लाइट आती है, पहले वो पैरेलल होती है, जब रिफ्लेक्ट होती है फिर नहीं होती, नॉन पैरेलल होती है। रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए स्मूथ सरफेस जरूरी है, ये स्मूथ सरफेस पे होती है। जो इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन है वो रफ सरफेस पे होती है, उसके लिए रफ सरफेस जरूरी है।